Today I'm going to show you 7 tricks to making delicious, fluffy blueberry pancakes, including my secret ingredient. We're cooking with Jill. Welcome to my kitchen. So there are a few tricks to making blueberry pancakes. So I've got a 1.5 cups of pancake mix in here. This pancake mix is actually an Aldi's brand pancake mix, but you could use Hungry Jack or whatever you prefer to use. I'm going to mix in about 3/4 cup of milk. Now, I know that's about what the recipe says on the box. Sometimes I want more milk, sometimes I want less milk. You're not really looking to get the pancake batter smooth. In fact, it's usually better if it's not smooth. But you do want it fairly well integrated. A little more, get some of those lumps out. Alright, so you still want a few lumps in there. This is about a 1/2 pint of blueberries. Those are fresh blueberries. You could use frozen blueberries if you let them drain, thaw, and drain completely. But this should be good. Yeah. Now, a trick I like to do is just let this batter rest for a little bit. Maybe 2 minutes or so. And then we'll start cooking. You see how the bubbles have begun to form in it a little bit? That's what you want to happen. Another trick is to add a teaspoon or so of vanilla extract. We'll let that rest a little bit. So this pan needs to be hot. If you drizzle a little water in there, you see how it kind of dances around a little bit. And then you also need to coat it with some oil. It will take the heat. Now this is bacon grease. I cooked bacon in this before. And then just spoon a little bit of the batter into the pan. So what is extremely important is a good non-stick pan. These Ninja NeverStick skillets are fantastic, especially when you're cooking blueberry pancakes, because the blueberries will actually come off onto the pan, and if you're using other pans that don't have this quality non-stick surface on it, your pancakes are going to stick. And now see how the bubbles are beginning to form in the pancakes here? That means they're about ready to turn. Let's let a few more bubbles come up. You'll see them start to cook a little more around the edges here. All right, let me give this pancake a turn. Beautiful. You see how those blueberries have ruptured in there? Oh, this is going to be good. Let's take the next one. And finally, the third one. Once again, if it wasn't such a good quality pan, now you can see here these pancakes have risen quite a bit. See how thick they are and how light they are? Having a hot skillet is important for that. Also, letting that batter rest a little bit is important. Now I'm going to plate these up. They should be about done now. One thing that I do sometimes, just poke a little hole in it. Yep. It's done all right. Three beautiful pancakes. Now I'll top these pancakes off with just a little bit of butter and some syrup. And finally, some bacon. Beautiful blueberry pancakes.